Hi, Life Recording X here. So I thought I would take a walk today because it's beautiful weather, and look! We've got leaves! Yay! Spring! And we got some spring makeup going on today. And a nice tangerine pop going on from Mary Kay. I used to be a consultant, of course. But yeah. So we're gonna take a walk. Yeah. These are the woods. So yeah, so these are the woods from my childhood. I used to come here all the time, and we'll see if we can find it. There used to be this big rock where I would go and sit and meditate and stuff. Yeah, because I'm very into that stuff. Little buggies. So maybe we can find it. Also, in these woods here, way over there though, like on the other side, is where they found a small skull, and it was missing the lower half of the jaw, and it had a full tooth in it. But yeah, so could be a child or a teen or whatever, and I think it's female, but yeah. Everyone's keeping it hush hush because they don't want to, you know, cause panic. They say that it's centuries old, but who knows really, because it wouldn't be intact if it was centuries old. It would have been crumbly. I'm just saying. So yeah, so let's just take a little walk through here and we'll see if we can find that rock. So this is also the trail. Another video you saw my best friend when I said we went trekking through the forest. This is where we went, and we took shots here, like photo shots. But yeah, so we'll see what we can find in here in terms of the rock. If I can possibly find it, that would be awesome. But yeah, so we're just gonna trek through the forest here. I'm really glad I have my new shoes, because otherwise this would be a lot more difficult. You can hear the little bees going and whatnot. So yeah, I'm not sure how far in we're gonna go, but yeah, because we also don't want to get lost. Okay, there's people there. Sorry. But yeah. So we're just gonna come this way. And you can probably see it behind me. I don't know if you can. This huge rock up there. I used to go up there and meditate, like I said. I'm out of breath. I'm so out of shape. But yeah, so it's pretty loud today. Apparently they're doing construction. Yeah. So these are basically the woods behind my house, which I like. I love being in nature and stuff. Yeah. So maybe we can track up and give you a shot of what it looks like down here where I am. Okay. Whew. I'm out of breath. So yeah, so we found the rock. It's not the very, very top, because yeah, but I'm out of breath right now, and I didn't bring any water or anything with me, which was kind of stupid on my part, but you know, whatever, right? So yeah, this is the rock I used to sit on and meditate, and yeah, so I'll let you see what it looks like from my point of view. So yeah, see, it's not too far down, but I mean, it's high enough, especially when you don't have water. See, still more to go, but yeah. So yeah, okay, we're gonna trek back down now. Jeez. So it looks like some teenagers or something were here. There's like a makeshift fire pit and stuff, and there's a old chair over there and whatnot, so yeah. We're just gonna go down the trail here. We're going down the trail to Barnes Cups. Oh cool. Yeah, because I'm Canadian. In case no one knows. Well, you do now. But yeah. So, that was our adventure for today. Oh, this is beautiful, lush. Oh, wow. Let's see if I can show you. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. It's beautiful. So we're just going down the trail. So, yeah. That's basically all I have for today. But yeah, yeah, so that's my adventure for today. Bye! If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. You can also visit me on my Facebook page and Instagram.